boys. Matthews, the day is here, bro. The exhaust is here. The C8 is done.
From Prius to freaking supercar.
Let's give her a start real quick because we're about to throw this exhaust on from your boys over at Paragon Performance. Shout out to them, hooking your boys up because we're about to be sounding extra spicy right now. Matthews, give her a freaking.
Is your key in here?
It might be. Give her a crank.
Sounds like nothing.
And pop the valves. Pop the valves.
I don't fucking know how to do that.
Right there, bro. You don't know how to use the damn car? Here, on the Z, on the Z. I'll give it a little rep. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Sounds like my Toyota.
You know what this needs? An exhaust.
Exhaust.
From your boys at Paragon Performance. I did not open the box because I want this to be, you know, a real reaction of me seeing my exhaust, because this is a big deal, man. Putting exhaust on my C8, I never thought this day would come. Seeing all these YouTubers, tjhunt, Stradman, Speed 717, all these guys, I watch their videos and they got these C8s and it's like, just so, they're just so sick. I wish I was able to just, you know, chop them all apart and do exhaust and twin turbos like all these guys are doing, but you know, maybe one day. It's like Christmas. The only thing about this exhaust is we do lose our valves, but when am I ever gonna want to be quiet anyway? You know what I mean?
Believe
you hear my neighbor like, there's no valves. What? Damn. Look at those welds.
You should run no bumpers.
You think you could do welds like that?
Yeah, you seen the video. I just learned.
They haven't seen the video yet, but we picked up a new build a couple days ago, which is gonna be in the next video. You know, I figured after this new build, you're not gonna wanna see the C8 exhaust install, so we're doing the exhaust install right now.
It's crazy how like it sounds.
Do it again.
That's crazy.
All right, guys, so we're testing out the exhaust. Oh yeah. Matthew's got that squeal that I don't got.
Because I screamed into it. You didn't scream into it.
No, I can't. I don't have the.
You're a pussy.
Oh yeah. All right. I approve. All right, so we have mucho exhausts tips we're gonna choose.
I feel like we should do that last. If you have it on the car, you just put on there.
All right, wait till the end of the video. I'm gonna reveal one exhaust tip.
All right.
And then at the end, I'll reveal them all, so you guys can't click off the shit. You gotta watch till the end. Oh, that's the perfect one to show because it's like the most basic. This is like the most basic one. There's a lot of sick ones in there too, so kind of heavy duty though. Wow, American made, baby. These guys don't play around. All right. Shout out to Quick Jacks. They believed in me when I first started making YouTube videos. They literally sent me these Quick Jacks like right when I started. It's 6:22. Let's see how long this takes. This car was built with blood, sweat, and tears. Stop playing with me. All right, the exhaust is off. We gotta start her up with no exhaust. I mean, come on, we gotta see what she sounds like straight pipe. Maybe we won't even put the exhaust on if it sounds good enough. You ready for this? You ready for this?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Shut up.
You shouldn't be ready because it's gonna be crazy. Are you sure?
No.
Okay.
Your neighbors
Give me
aren't.
a countdown.
Your neighbors aren't ready.
Give me a countdown.
Piss off the neighbors in 3,
100,
2,
99,
1.
98, 97. I dropped my gum. That's how crazy. Bro, it's loud.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Alright guys, so now I got this fancy car. I gotta make sure I'm ready for whatever I get myself into. So this video is sponsored by Manscaped. Manscaped sent me their performance package kit that includes the Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0 trimmer. If you haven't guessed, this is not for your face. This is for your cojones. your balls. Once your cojones are trimmed, they also sent me this ball deodorant, which will keep you smelling nice and fresh, which is very important because you can't get caught lacking. This kit also includes the Shears 2.0 for your toenails, the Manscaped Weed Whacker for your nose hairs, and even 2 free gifts, the Manscaped travel bag and the Manscaped boxer briefs. Manscaped hooked me up with a 20% discount for you guys, so click the link down below so you can stay fresh for whatever special occasion you get into. Thanks Manscaped for sponsoring this video, and now back to the exhaust install. Get off my grass, bro. Just be parking on my grass, bro? What do you think this is? Shut the fuck up. You see this? I just mowed this. This is what day now, Matthews?
Of what?
This is gonna be a little quick install.
Oh, we got 2 hours.
It's 2 days later, and I'm just gonna show you guys what we've been dealing with because actually Matthews has been partying while I've been dealing with all this stuff.
We've been dealing, dude. It's been a rough 2 days.
Matthews has been leaving me here all alone, and this is what's been happening. Today on What Does Judah F Up, I done the C8 cat bolt. I don't even know what the hell to call it, but the stud is F. Oh yeah, bitch, you thought you could with me? Got that bitch out. Thank God. I'm having a rough time out here. Look at this. I drilled it out, and then I put a bolt to go through it, and then, where's it at? And then I go to put the new bolt in, I'm all done, and then I snap the bolt off, and now it's wedged in there again. So now I don't know how the I'm gonna have to get it out. I'm gonna have to cut it off. This is like, I'm like 8 hours in on this now. But now we're back, and we're about to get this thing on because this kid, look at this kid. It's like 1 o'clock. He like shows up with his sub, his freaking hydration. You've been freaking picking at this box. Are you ready to see these tips?
Let's see the tip.
We're about to, we gotta choose. It's all done. We gotta choose what tips. There's like 8 different tips.
What is this, gold?
Gold. Damn. There's some fire ones in here that don't.
Oh. The carbon? Oh. The carbon is gonna.
Is this black on black? Yeah, black on black. Look at black on blue.
Okay.
Damn, that one's sick. Oh, this one's sick too. Dry carbon, gloss carbon, and it has the black and not the silver. Hell yeah, brother. So we went with the carbon and black gloss tips. You guys tell me what you think. I don't really care what you think because I like them. All right, boys, we've been savoring it. You ready for this, Matthews?
I'm ready. Let's get it, baby.
Dude, it has like a whine, bro. It has like a little whistle, like it's almost turboed, but obviously it's not. But like,
ooh, the shift.
It sounds like proper, bro. Oh, bro,
this rips.
It sounds so legit. Like it sounds like a beast now. Yo, you gotta get out and do a flyby. Like it's like I'll rip by, and I don't know, just get it. I guess. We gotta see what it sounds like from outside.
All right, go over there.
Get a little rev right now too. Here.
All right. Yo, hey, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
Do stocks.
Cook what?
And trades.
You got a course?
And I got a rich daddy.
You have a course you can sell me so I can
Yeah, I'll sell you on my course, man. It's $500, and then I will just take your money, and I'm not gonna teach you anything, like everybody else online.
Where do I sign up?
Oh, you ready? You down? All right, I'll send you the link. All right, guys, I have some big news. Not only are we wide bodying the C8 like I've been saying, that's happening, but also I decided I'm gonna give away my personal black Hellcat that you guys have watched. I've had it from the beginning. A lot of you guys found me through that car, and I decided that it's time to get rid of it, and here's the reason. So recently, last week, I just picked up a new build. It is literally behind that garage door right there. So I'm gonna be reviewing that new build this Friday, and I can't afford to keep all these cars. I can't have 2 cars and the Hellcat. Or no, I can't have the C8, the Hellcat, and the new build. So I decided something's gotta go, and the Hellcat is it. Coming this month, I'm gonna be selling merchandise, and every dollar spent on my website is gonna get you 5 entries into winning that car. So it's gonna be coming sometime this next month. I'm not exactly sure when that's gonna be. I'm still figuring out all the logistics and stuff of it because there's a lot of legal stuff behind it. Yeah, there's a lot to it. So stay tuned for that. And also this Friday, like I said, there's a new build happening in literally 2 days. I'm revealing it. So it's gonna be sick. You guys are gonna love it, and yeah, we always got something going on around here. So wide body on the C8 coming, new build coming, and Hellcat giveaway coming. If you guys aren't excited, I don't know what to tell you because that's a lot going on, and I really think it's insane that I'm gonna give away my Hellcat, my personal car. Like, who would have thought that I would be able to do something like this? And it's a big risk because if I don't sell enough merchandise, I still gotta give away the car. So if there's ever a giveaway that you guys are gonna enter, this is the one, because all these other giveaways, they're selling so much stuff, your chances of winning aren't very good. But since it's my first giveaway and we're not exactly huge on YouTube, your chances are pretty good. So I hope you guys enter, and I will let you guys know in the next video when I reveal the new car, all of the details and all of the dates and all that stuff. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the exhaust install. Shout out to Paragon Performance for hooking me up. I'll leave their link in the bio. And also thanks to Manscaped for sponsoring this video. I'll leave their link in the bio. So thanks for watching, like always.